Da. Hello, my name is Sion and I'll be running this usability test today. Before we start, I would like to thank you for being here today and that our session should be at most half an hour. I am a part of a team of researchers from Purdue University, and our goal is to identify how to make Craigslist more enjoyable and easier to use for the end user. Today, we are going to let you navigate through the Craigslist website and ask you to perform eight tasks. We will then ask you for feedback on the experience. We are evaluating Craigslist as a website and not you. Please be honest with your comments. Any information you provide to us today will be confidential and used specifically for this usability test. Do you have any questions or concerns from me so far?
No.
Okay. And can you please look over this consent form and sign it if you're willing to allow us to record your voice and screen for the usability testing? Thank you. Now we would like to ask you a few demographic questions. What is your age?
I'm 25.
How familiar are you with Craigslist on a scale from 1 to 5? 1 being least familiar and 5 being most familiar.
1 because I've never used it before.
Okay. Do you use any other e-commerce sites?
Not really.
Okay. Okay. First, we would like for you to open up Craigslist. Type craigslist.org into the search bar. Okay. And what is your first impression of Craigslist?
Honestly, it's kind of messy, and I can't really tell, like, what this website sells or what it's trying to show.
Okay. Okay. And then we would like for you to search for Monopoly board game. Okay. Was searching for Monopoly through Craigslist search bar difficult on a scale from 1 to 5? 1 being very easy and 5 being very hard.
I'll give it 1. It was pretty easy.
Okay. Now for this part, we want you to first look around the website, then filter the product based on 2 criteria. First, we want you to explore the website. You can click buttons and check different things and try your best to understand the website. Also, while you are exploring the website, please describe what you are doing and your thoughts.
Okay.
So, from this screen, what do you notice?
It's kind of like old-styled website.
And what do you think like this kind of buttons will do? So like these filter bar.
I think those filters are well done.
Okay. we want you to click on the miles from location on the sidebar and set it to a nearby location. Put in the number and the zip code. So like how many miles from here? 100 or 200
from
zip code here.
6. What? Oh.
Oh. Did it work well?
Yeah, I think it did. It's all of them are under 100 miles, so yeah.
Was the location setting difficult to find? Rate the difficulty from 1 to 5. 1 being very easy and 5 being very hard.
2, I think was pretty easy.
Okay. So, what is unclear or something you don't like about this process, this task?
Oh. I think, like, as I said before, like, I've never used, like, finding location, like, using this way, like, typing 100 miles and, like, typing my own address, postcode, I don't know, zip code. Yeah.
So it was an easy process for you to use first time?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, moving on to next task. Before we do this task, how difficult do you think it would be to filter the search results? On a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being very easy and 5 being very hard.
I think it should be very easy. I think it will be very easy. 1.
Very easy 1?
Yeah.
Okay. So then can you find the filter for search titles only and check it?
Yeah.
Okay. How useful do you think this filter is on a scale from 1 to 5? 1 being very useful and 5 being very useless.
I think it's useful.
Useful?
Yeah.
So like 5?
Yeah, 5.
Okay. So next task. On a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being very easy and 5 being very hard, how would you rate the difficulty of filtering the search results?
Like what I just did?
No, it's next one. So like filtering other stuff other than what we just did.
Yeah, I think it will be easy, like the ones before. So like 1, yeah.
Okay. And then you can also filter the search results from price increasing order. So
Increasing.
yes, increasing. Okay, and we would like you to now filter the search results from price decreasing order. Decreasing.
Yeah.
Okay. And we would like you to now filter the search results by newest listing.
Nearest?
Newest.
Newest.
Okay. Was filtering the search results on the Craigslist listing page difficult? Rate on a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being very easy and 5 being very hard.
I'll give it around like 2, because first I couldn't even find where the filter is, so but it's kind of easy to use when I realize.
Where is that? Okay. Now we would like you to change the page layout from gallery to thumbnail.
Okay. Oh, got it.
On a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being very easy and 5 being very hard, how difficult was changing the results layout? So how difficult was it? 5 being very hard?
I'll give it 3 because like changing was easy, but I couldn't really find it at the start. So
Okay. Alright. And this last category will be contacting the seller. Please select any one of the products in the search results. You can go. Yeah.
so I have to find the contact for the seller, right?
Before you do that, on a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being very easy and 5 being very hard, how would you rate the difficulty of finding seller contact information?
Wait,
How would you think?
I thought.
Like on a scale from 1 to 5,
Mm-hmm.
1 being very easy and 5 being very hard, how would you rate the difficulty of finding seller contact information? Do you think it's gonna be?
No, it should be easy. I think it should be
So
like 1.
1?
Yeah.
Okay. And we'd like you to find a way to contact the seller.
All right. What? Is it there?
Yes. You can click on some stuff if you want to.
Oh. Yeah, I got it.
You can also click on email if they have. Okay. On a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being very easy, 5 being very hard, how difficult was it to find seller contact information?
I'll give it like 4.
4?
Yeah.
Okay. For our last part of the interview, we'd like for you to answer a questionnaire. So on a scale from 1 to 5,
Mm-hmm.
1 being strongly disagree, and 5 being strongly agree.
Mm-hmm.
Please rate each one of them. And first one is, I think Craigslist has a streamlined process within their website.
근데 뭐야 저게 스트림라인드가?
그러니까 문제 없이 쭉 가는 프로세스.
네, 다시.
거기 자르고 여기 잘라. Okay. So first one is, I think Craigslist has a streamlined process within their website. 1 is strongly disagree. 5 is strongly agree.
I'll give it like 3.
3.
Yeah.
Next one is, I think people will not have problems while using this website.
I strongly disagree.
Okay. So 1.
Yeah.
Okay. I would need the support of a technical person to be able to use this website.
Like, I agree, disagree. Like, is that 4?
So you agree?
Yeah,
But
I agree.
Kind of. So 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one is Craigslist should redesign their website.
Strongly agree. 5.
Okay. I would like to use Craigslist in the future.
1.
1. Okay. Thank you for participating in this usability testing.